Thanks for joining us on the Garagistic channel. Today we are going to talk about E36 and E46 seat mounting options. So what we have here is a part that we make in-house, and it's basically a seat mount made out of billet aluminum for your E36 or E46. A lot of racing sanctions do not want sliders. That's where these would come in. And basically the reason for all the threaded holes is that way you can mount the seat exactly to what your body is. You know, some people want to be, they're a little bit wider than others, and they want to be centered in front of the steering wheel. Basically, with all of these options, you have the ability to put your seat exactly where you want it. Another new feature on some of these seat mounts is that we've labeled a lot of where these things go to make installation a lot easier. We also offer side mounts that have a complete bolt-up solution into your car. To purchase any one of these products, go ahead and click here.